Hi, in this video I will show you about online storage drive. So far we talked about three online storage drive. One is OneDrive of Microsoft, another is G Drive of Google, and the third one is Dropbox. So I will show you all of these three. So let's go to first OneDrive. To access OneDrive, you can go to the website outlook.com. If you have a Outlook email, then in your Outlook email account you will get to see OneDrive. And another is, if you download MS Office 365 app like this one, then there also you get to see OneDrive. Let me open. I have one Outlook.com account, but my Outlook.com account, few days back, I forgot the password and I'm unable to recover the password. So I'm unable to log in here in the web. So I'll be showing you from this app. But from the web, if you log into the email, then you'll be able to then access OneDrive. Maybe the website can be drive.microsoft.com or onedrive.microsoft.com probably. The app is still loading. Okay, so by the time they load, let us go to another one, that is G Drive. So G Drive is of Google Gmail. If you create a Gmail account, then by default you will get G Drive. You'll have to go to apps, Google Apps at the top right. Here, this in these dots, you click this Google Apps. Then here you see Drive. This is called G Drive. So if you click on it, then it will open. And this is the second online storage drive that we talked about. And the third one is Dropbox, dropbox.com. So these three online storage we talked about: OneDrive of Microsoft, G Drive of Google, and Dropbox. These two, OneDrive and G Drive, with these two you get an email address, because you have to create an email address to get these two. You have to create outlook.com email, then you will get OneDrive. You'll have to create Gmail email, then you'll get G Drive. But for Dropbox, you do not need to create any email account. Dropbox is not from any email provider. Dropbox is standalone online storage provider, like this one. This is their website, Dropbox, and they have a free plan. This is their free plan, basic, free, 2 GB to store and share your files. So you get 2 GB free storage from Dropbox. And from OneDrive you get, this is my Microsoft 365 application from desktop. So here, this is OneDrive. This is OneDrive. Now if I click on it, it will open. This apps very recently started to give problems. So you see, 5 GB of 5 GB free, 1.1 MB used of 5 GB. So you have 5 GB storage here. Then in G Drive, it is also still loading. In G Drive, the storage is 15 GB. So out of 15 GB, 2.57 GB is used. I have so far uploaded a lot of files. so far, like I'm accessing maybe from 2 years, probably 2 3 years I'm using this G drive, and I have used this G drive for many of my what do you call files and folders, but still only 2.57 GB. If I would have used Dropbox, then 2 GB would have enough. I mean, I'm sorry, 2 GB would have finished by now. And also with Dropbox is separate from the email, so like there isn't any synchronization between the email and the what do you call and the storage drive. So in Gmail, if anyone wants to share the file with you, you get the notification in the email, and the file is by default saved in the what do you call drive. With OneDrive is also same, but with OneDrive the problem is that you get only 5 GB. You get only 5 GB, and with G drive you get 15 GB. 15 GB of storage you get with G drive. So the reason I suggested you to use what do you call G drive. I mean, for your virtual assistant work, you can create a Gmail email account, and Gmail email account is user friendly. Then I find Outlook and other email accounts, so you can use Gmail account. And when you create a Gmail account, you get Google Drive by default, and you will get 15 GB of free storage. And with Outlook, you get 5, and with Dropbox, you get 2, 2 GB. Now, coming to the what do you call why this storage is very much important. To give you one example, all the clients that I have got so far for virtual assistant work, what I do is I create a folder for them. Let me show it to you. Bvaewo. Here you see there is one folder. Work is one folder. Under work, VA work is one folder. Then under VA work, clients is one folder. So under clients, I have created, these are my clients. Kevin, these were my clients, not now, previously. Kevin Chu, Disabet Technologies, have Prime, Roderick Pons, Hustly.websites. So for these, each of this client, I created each folder, and what I did under each folder, I from the beginning initial communication till the time I'm working with them, I upload all the documents here. So what is the benefit of uploading this all the documents here? Regarding this client, all my documents is recorded in one place. So for any reason, if I need to access any file in regards to this client Kevin Chu, then I can come to this folder under clients which I have created, and then I can access. I will have this what do you call folder. I will have the files of this client handy. So this is one very good what do you call benefit that you get. Another benefit is like that I told you is, say you need to work on a Word document or an Excel or PowerPoint very quickly. Say you're researching something on the internet and you need to document that in a Word document. So what you can do, you can go to your email account, then you go to apps, and then you go to docs, or you can also go to drive. You go to drive, and then from drive you click on new, this docs, and then blank document. Now here you're creating a document, and whatever you are researching, you can put it here. Say for example, I'm researching for this 3 online storage drive. So for example, I researched and found out these 3 online storage drive. So I'll just write their name just to give you an example, quick example. Dropbox, G drive, sorry, OneDrive, G drive, Dropbox. So then if I have to what do you call free, right here, free online storage drive. Now if I have to what do you call I worked on it. Now if I have to share this document with the client, what I can do, I can simply click here, share, and then say onit.world is the client. So this is the client, and I can simply send from here. You can also write a message here, or if you do not write a if you don't want to write a message here, you think that you will send an email, then after sending the file you can send an email. We will do thorough about we'll go through these things thoroughly in the what do you call, in the next lesson when we will be doing the task. Now I'm just showing you for the drive, for the app thing. So here, then you can just free storage, free online storage. Hi on it. In the following Google, in the following G Drive link, you will find 3 free online storage drive. Online storage drive names. So then I give the link. And before you give the link, you just check the link and see if it's opening. Check the link in incognito, so that because you are not logged in incognito in your email, and so that the document opens. If the document opens here, that means it will open to client as well. Okay, so document did not open here, it's signed, it requires sign in. So in that case, you'll just have to change the permission of the document. You copy link, you share, it's restricted, make it anyone with the link. Copy link. Now it will open. Now I go to incognito and paste the URL. And now the file opened, online storage drive. So that means it will open to client as well. So this is another thing. So if you what do you call, worked on this, I shared this example before as well, earlier as well, in this lesson. If you worked on this document, say by creating a Microsoft Word from your computer, then what you will have to do, you'll have to attach this file. You'll have to attach this file, and then if the client then again asks you to say, please what do you call, find few more, then again you will have to download that. Then again you will have to work on that attachment. Again you will have to work on that file, and then again you will have to attach the file. This example I shared with you, right? So that way you are sharing you are attaching one file multiple times. But if you're working in the online document, then what you can do, it's just the same file, you can just add the another one, say A, say B, say C. You just add here, and you can just simply let the client know. You can just reply to the email and let the client know that I have what do you call, added three more. I have added 3 more drives in the doc. You can check, and also you can share the link again at the same time. If not, that client already have the link, client can just simply check it there. So this is one benefit. So this is all this video about online storage drive, and why online storage drive is important. One very important thing is that you can keep record of your clients. Second thing is that you can sharing thing, this sharing of docs makes work very easier for you and for clients as well. So, and there are these three what do you call, storage drive. You do not need to use three, you can use only one. Gmail, I suggest Gmail. From Gmail, the Google Drive that you get, I suggest that. And alternatively, and you can keep another one of Dropbox. This free one you can keep, And this one you can, from time to time you can see, for some work, for some purposes you can use this one. That way you will have like 2 GB extra storage. You get 15 GB from here, and then you'll get 2 GB from Dropbox, so you get 2 GB more. I mean, you get few extra time to, to purchase the, what do you call, um, I mean, you get 2 GB for free. That's what I want to say. And by the time you, and with Gmail, with G Drive, you get 15 GB of storage. And by the time, if you have, working as a virtual assistant, if you have used 15 GB storage, that means that you have, what do you call, you have got quite few clients, and you are doing really good working as a virtual assistant. Then you can really afford to get more storage. So that's all this video all about. Online storage drive. I hope you have understood about the use of online storage drive by virtual assistant. So that's all this video about. You have a nice time. Tada, bye bye.